so this is me just showing you guys how to do these knotless braids. I'm going to keep it very fast. So for this, I did add beads to it. I just love the look of some slick knotless braids with some beads. It makes me feel like Janet Jackson. So this is the first step. First, we have to part it. I'm not going to lie, it is very hard to part hair yourself, especially in the back. So I'm not going to lie, in the back, I definitely just gave up and I accepted it for what it is. But the front, I'm going to pay attention to. Period. So just part it with a rat tail comb because it makes the most sense and it makes everything really easy. So for this, I did use jam. Now, jam is all right for braiding, but it's not the best, but it will do. Anyway, so how you do knotless braids is you have to separate your hair into 3. Then you braid it like normal. So you'll do like 2 to 3 normal braids. That's when, after that, you start adding in the actual braid hair, excuse me. So you see how small I do it? It's very important to keep the extension hair the same size. And if you're hearing thunder, there's a thunderstorm outside right now. It is what it is. But yes, keep the braiding hair the same size so that everything can look very cohesive and copacetic and nice and clean and good and like you went to the salon. And then you just braid some down, take another piece of braiding hair, braid some down, take another piece of braiding hair, and do the same. So I do that about 3 to 4 times in the beginning of the braid, and then I braid it all the way down like so, like that. I'm gonna speed this up because you don't need to see all this. But yes, doing knotless braids are very, very easy. After I finish braiding, I make sure that it's the same length as the other braids. And then I use a bobby pin to put on my beads, which is really easy because the thing that it came with actually broke. So yes, I put about 4 beads at the end. I make sure that it's lined up so that it has the same length to it. And then I just use a rubber band to tie up the ends at the last bead and cut off the excess. That's all. It's very easy. That's a cute little trick that I learned on YouTube. So I'm just gonna speed up the video showing you guys how I do like one more braid, because I promise you doing knotless braids are so easy. So now at this point I sped up the video. I have one more row left and I got so excited about this and I started to sing. 4 more braids. Yes, girl. Anyway, so these braids took 2 days. Yes, it took 2 days for me to do. I did one half of my head one day and then I finished the other half on the second day. So I was super excited to finish these braids. They definitely took a long time, but guess what? It saved me about $250 to $300 because you already know these girls are charging a lot of money at the salon now. Hell no, I'm gonna do it myself. So yeah. This is me finishing my last braid. I was very happy. Now I'm just touching up my edges. That definitely cleans everything up and makes it look nice and cute. Anyway, I'm about to finish this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a lot more now. And I'm gonna blow up on YouTube. Yes, please like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank